Does your device need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic, home collection and delivery with no calls or travel required. We send you a quote before repair, and we only proceed with your agreement. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in the description. To begin, ensure you have the following tools ready: a Torx T5 screwdriver, a plastic spudger, and a suction cup. These tools will help you safely open your Surface Pro 5 without causing any damage. Start by powering off your device completely. This is crucial to avoid any electrical issues during the battery replacement process. Once it's off, place the suction cup near the edge of the screen, ensuring it adheres well. Gently pull the suction cup while using the spudger to pry open the device. Be careful not to insert the spudger too deeply, as you could damage the internal components. As you work your way around the device, you will encounter adhesive strips. These can be quite strong, so take your time to ensure you don't rush this step. If you find it challenging, remember we offer professional diagnosis without obligation, which can help you assess the situation before proceeding. Once the device is open, you will see the battery connected to the motherboard. Carefully disconnect the battery connector using your spudger. It's important to handle this part with care to avoid any damage. Now, you can remove the old battery. If it's stuck, gently wiggle it free, but avoid using excessive force. Before installing the new battery, take a moment to clean the internal area of your Surface Pro 5. Use a soft cloth to remove any dust or debris. This will help maintain the performance of your device. If you're unsure about cleaning it yourself, consider our collection and delivery at your home service, which can save you the hassle of traveling. Now, take your new battery and align it with the connector on the motherboard. Press it down gently until it clicks into place. Ensure that it's securely connected before proceeding. If you're not confident in your ability to do this, remember that we provide a quote before repair, so you can make an informed decision. After the new battery is in place, it's time to reassemble your Surface Pro 5. Carefully align the screen back onto the body of the device. Press down firmly around the edges to ensure the adhesive strips bond well. If you find this process daunting, keep in mind that we offer no calls, no travel services, making it easier for you to get professional help. Finally, power on your Surface Pro 5 to check if the new battery is functioning correctly. If everything is in order, congratulations! You've successfully replaced the battery. If you encounter any issues, don't hesitate to reach out for assistance. Remember, maintaining your device is key to its longevity, and we're here to help you every step of the way. Does your device need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic, home collection and delivery with no calls or travel required. We send you a quote before repair, and we only proceed with your agreement. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in the description.